So pretty busy today in the shed. Me and my friend we rebuilding this Supra from scratch. Shout out to Jar Garage. um, we have that mx4 outside. We still have to chop up springs and get it ready, put some tires, get ready for track day at some point. Alex said it was a non-starter after about 6 months of sitting outside in the snow. My friends doing loads of other stuff on Range Rovers. I got a shed full of cars, some classics, some more Supras and stuff. Let me just turn the camera around. So yeah, this came as a shell. Came from the UK, from Restless Customs. Shout out to Nash. We fit in the engine just the other day. Now we just have to plumb everything in. It will go in for a full respray, so we strip it. Paint is, what is it?
Royal Sapphire Blue.
Royal Sapphire Blue 8
L5.
8L5, yeah, the Supra color. So we paint the inside of the doors and the engine bay, and now we're gonna do the rest of the body. Hopefully it will be sprayed by the weekend or maybe early next week. Just fitting the doors back and everything else. And in the back here, Mercedes SL, another Supra, another 3 more Mercedes SL, and right in the back another Supra shell. So we're quite busy. This is just one of the sheds we have. Yeah, this will be a nice stock car and a manual, and I think it's already going to the USA for a potential client there, so I hope he will enjoy the car, and I'll keep you updated and posted with the progress. See you later.